You have the last week results? Last week results. Just keep it. Last week our regular results. So ureteric injury, what is except, doctor? Give some confident answer. Huh?
Ultrasound of pelvis.
Ultrasound of?
Pelvis.
Very good. Ultrasound of pelvis can't be able to track the ureter down the pelvis because the bony obstruction of the vision. So ultrasound of the kidney is done, retrograde ureterogram, intravenous urogram, contrast dye to know the fistula's track. All these things are very much done. Now doctor, effective use of the Levonorgestrel IUCD mainly is in? Simplest question.
Sir,
Hello.
Levonorgestrel is not used in emergency contraception, no sir. Only copper IUCD is used, not Levonorgestrel.
But that doesn't prevent it from being used for regular contraception. We didn't say emergency. Then ovarian malignancy is the cornerstone for what all the things surgery is important?
Screening
के लिए हर वुमेन को काट के आप ओवरी का सिचुएशन नहीं देखते हैं. So for staging, prognosis, diagnosis, but not for screening. Cervical cancer diagnosis में what is not used?
C.
Very difficult question. जल्दी बोलो. A. CEA you can use for everything. If your spouse is having a bad mood also you can get a CEA done. Is it increased or decreased you can check.
C sir.
Synaptophysin is not used but chromogranin A is used because there are a variety called as small cell type of carcinoma of the cervix, it is called, just like in lung, where chromogranin A is known to have a poor prognostic marker. What is maternal portion of placenta called? Deciduous bacillus. What is except about the hemodynamic changes in pregnancy? D. That is, they won't change the mean arterial pressure, but both systolic and also diastolic BP will decrease. Maximum chance of HIV is
during labor. During labor.
I am happy to know that. Then obstetric cholestasis, what is not a correct statement? C.
Termination at 38 weeks.
Termination can be done at 37 also, but the idea is, do you need to do termination? Is it an indication? और बोलो. Okay, I'll give one clue. What is the characteristic difference between viral hepatitis as a cause of jaundice versus intrahepatic cholestasis as a cause of jaundice in pregnancy? Bilirubin never rises markedly in intrahepatic cholestasis, but it can rise markedly in viral hepatitis. Liver enzymes rise markedly in viral hepatitis, not in intrahepatic cholestasis. That is what you need to remember. Then doctor, max sulfate अगर दिए तो what is the commonly observed fetal effect of it? Classical question. A.
Respiratory depression.
Respiratory depression on of the fetus or mother? तो fetus को क्या होता? We find a variability in the fetal heart rate pattern. Spielberg's criteria doesn't include.
C.
You want to say C?
C.
Ramakrishna, what is your answer?
C.
So what is gestational sac is connected to? Ovarian ligament, not to infundibulopelvic ligament. That is the Spielberg's criteria. What are the markers in the first trimester? What are the markers in second trimester? What is your answer?
C. 1 and 4. C.
1 and 4 or 1 and 2?
1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2.
Please give one big clap. Only Nafis and Nafis alone Loud clap, loud clap. Huh? So that's good. See, doctor, first trimester double test it is called PAP A and HCG. First trimester combined test means nuchal translucency, PAP A and HCG is called the first trimester combined test. So you must be sure. Preeclampsia, what is except about it? Hemoconcentration is what you find, not dilution. Most common karyotype of partial mole? Huh? Triploid. Classical question. Epidural anesthesia, where is it not contraindicated? Huh? Hypertension. Hypertension or infection on the back? Contraindication. No, I have to remember it like that. Maybe D may be a more appropriate answer. D may be more appropriate answer. Okay. Postcoital contraception you can't achieve with? Huh? GnRH agonist is not used for that. There is a remaining things, RU486 and high dose, high degree of progesterone, levonorgestrel. Now variable decelerations imply cord compression, early deceleration is head compression. One more is there, what is that? Late deceleration is fetal hypoxemia. What is the maternal risk of misoprostol? Huh? Tachysystole and hyperstimulation of the uterus. That's right. Then 25-year-old had abortion.
A.
B.
B, choriocarcinoma.
Sir, bulky uterus is seen in both incomplete abortion and choreo, but ovaries are enlarged only in choreo.
Right, well said. I mean, in the sense both the ovaries are enlarged, pregnancy test is possible, positive. Post pregnancy previously developing choriocarcinoma now is fitting into the history of choriocarcinoma. Why not incomplete abortion? Anybody answered? Yeah, Aziz is questioning that. It is before the 20th week of gestation. Huh? 4 months ago he has the history of profuse, she has a history of abortion 4 months ago, no? 4 months is 16 weeks. Immediately pregnant होने के बाद भी, अगर हुए तो भी 20 weeks से कम है ना? Before the 20th week. Okay. But the other part of the history is not matching.